Shiba Inu coin holders, are there big gains ahead for Shiba Inu? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu and where I think we could be headed here, guys. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, so we're starting off with Shiba Inu, and I just want to kind of give you guys a general price breakdown of what I'm seeing here on Shiba Inu. And I think that a lot of you guys aren't going to really like what I have to say for the short term, okay? And when we're looking at the daily time frame for Shiba Inu, if I was trading Shiba Inu, if I was a day trader or a swing trader, I would tell you guys right now that this looks like a fantastic short setup. I do think that if you look at this, you have the little tiny trigger wave right here on Market Cypher. You see this downward momentum. And when you open this up, you can see that money flow is coming out. The VWAP is to the downside. The momentum wave is just beginning. It looks like Shiba Inu wants to break down, guys. So if you are a leverage trader and you want to trade this and you want to accumulate some more Shiba Inu and you want to short Shiba Inu to get in lower and get more money while we see Shiba Inu to come down, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. So if you do want to short Shiba Inu to accumulate more, you want to make money while it's coming down for the short term, then take advantage of that link down below. It's a limited time offer though, guys. I do want to say though, on the daily time frame, yeah, it looks pretty bearish. It does. And I'll be honest. I think that the majority of altcoins right now look pretty bearish. We need to be paying attention to what happens with Bitcoin here, because every January in post-halving years during a presidential election, we've dumped, guys. Every single January we have dumped. But what comes soon after are big, fat, juicy gains, guys. When you look at Shiba Inu right now, we're sitting at rank 15, down about 12% in the past 7 days, sitting at a $12.47 billion market cap and about $1 billion, or I should say $500 million of 24-hour volume. Guys, the past couple of days have been very, very interesting. We've been bleeding out. Bitcoin has looked very, very bearish. Bitcoin wicked down to 90,000 today, and now we're already getting a little bit of a relief bounce here. But Ethereum got to $3,000, my friends. That is not good for the altcoins, and we're going to talk about Bitcoin dominance here, because look at this. 57.2%. Excluding stablecoins, we are talking about 59.2%, guys. So I've been shouting at the rooftop saying, look at how pegged Bitcoin dominance has been as Bitcoin and altcoins are selling off. Well, now when you look at Bitcoin dominance, it's starting to make a move to the upside, unfortunately. And, talk about Market Cypher as well. This green dot on momentum wave, or excuse me, on volume, and this green dot here, you see this form like this. Usually, it's a good opportunity for a long situation, except money flow is still red here, guys. I do not like to long into red money flow, and I do expect this to get rejected here. I do expect a spillover, and we could see that happen sooner rather than later. I don't want everybody to freak out and say, Blacksea, you're being such a bear. What's going on? Like, put your money where your mouth is. Like, I see everyone say that, like, when people are being bearish, like, well, why don't you open a short? I'm not a day trader, guys. I'm a swing trader. I am a long-term investor, and I am a cyclical trader, if I were to put a label on my trading set. But, guys, I do think, though, with where Bitcoin's at, that we are positioning for a couple different options here. But regardless, I am still bullish on altcoins, and I am still bullish on Shiba Inu. It's just a matter of time. And yeah, in the short term, we could sell off. We could break down here. We could even go way, way, way down here to 401362, this line right here, and treat it as support. Yeah, that'll be big, big pain across the board, but it doesn't mean that it's over. I do think that 2025 historically is very, very bullish for Bitcoin. It should be. Historically, it is the third year of the cycle, the post-halving year. It's historically bullish for altcoins, and based on past events, I am going to consider believing that. I'm going to continue to believe that until we see massive, massive deviation. I'm talking a full-on bear market. But guys, That's why you need to be taking profit along the way, because sometimes prices deviate from your theory. They deviate from what you think is actually going to happen. But regardless, I am bullish on Shiba Inu. I am bullish on altcoins. It's just a matter of when, not if, it's going to go up. It's going to go up. It's just a matter of time, guys. I do want to say, if you stuck around this far, in the spirit of the market selling off, I want to be giving you guys something back. Go follow me at 333 Blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get to 1,000 followers on Instagram in the next 24 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000. I want to be giving back to you guys so you can buy this dip, as well as, guys, if you want to be buying this dip or you want to be shorting some of these altcoins, if we continue to see this breakdown, please check out Blowfin, $5,000 sign-on bonus. There's no other exchange offering a 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. That's absolutely insane, and you really want to be saving on those fees if you're going to be trading often. So take advantage of that, as well as if you want an on-ramp and off-ramp to crypto and you want to be taking money from your bank account, putting it in the ecosystem, or pulling out, take those profits out, then I recommend you download crypto.com down below. That's all I got for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think we're getting ready to see a breakdown, or do you think I'm just completely wrong and we're getting ready to see a bounce? I will be honest, the overall market sentiment right now is very, very bearish, guys. It's very bearish. There's a chance that the bottom is in, but maybe for Bitcoin, but I do think that alts have a little bit more bleeding to do. And of course, on Market Cypher, those red dots, they can disappear. We need to wait for the next daily candle closure to see if they're locked in on the daily time frame. But as of right now, if I was a betting man, I wanted to short Shiba Inu, I think now would probably be a good time. That's not financial advice, but I'm just letting you guys know my opinion on it. That's all I got for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.